Hi there, I am Christelle from Diabetes Strong. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your Dexcom sensor easy, pain-free, and without peeling off anything but just that sensor. So my trick is to use a glue remover, and I promise you it works. So this is a glue remover I'm using currently. Okay, it's a liquid. There are other brands out there, but this is the one I use and the one I know that works. So I'll leave you the name and where to get it below. So other options are to use glue remover wipes like this one. Again, other brands out there. I don't use this to actually remove the sensor, but rather to remove any glue residue that might be left on my arm. So let me show you how it works. It's easy, 3 steps. First, you put on your glue remover. 2, you let it work. And 3, you peel off your sensor. So let's do it. Get my glue remover, open it up, and I simply pour. You can see the color of the tape of the sensor changing. There we go. This is just, it's absorbing. If anything goes running, just dry it off. That was step 1. Now we wait. So I let it soak for about a minute. You might need less, you might need more time, but it's super easy to just peel off like that. There we go. Look at that. There's a little bit of glue left. I can use a wipe to remove that. But that was easy. So now the sensor is off, and as a little bonus, I want to show you how to get your sensor and your transmitter separated. Because don't throw this out. Remember, a transmitter, which is a great part of this device, is what lasts you 3 months. Okay, so let me show you. Here we go. You ready? So there's a little piece of plastic out here. You hold on to that. Hold on to the sensor. You just break down the plastic like that. It's a little sticky because of the glue remover. Okay, so now the gray part is exposed. See if I can get a hold of that. Ah, sticky. Here we go. Got it out. There you go. That's your transmitter. Just wash that and reuse it. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to remove your Dexcom sensor. Thank you for watching.